Hi there, and welcome to this video where we are looking at how we can play about in Google Sheets the data we've gathered from a Google form. So here I've got a form here, it's got 20 responses, so we've got some few questions in there. If we click through into the responses, we can get a summary overall picture of the responses, and then we can drill down individually so we can see what the individual responses, what people's thoughts were. But what we want to do is do some work with that now in Google Sheets. So I've already linked it to a Google Sheet, as you've seen in the previous video. And what we can do now, very quickly and very easily, is create data. So if I just select the information I want to see, if it's still loading, bear with me. There we go. So if I just select that information there, so this is going to create me a nice little chart to show who's your favorite character, because if we have a look at all this and then we can't work out what it is, but if we go to insert chart, what it will automatically do is set up the chart for you. It will think about what to go on the x-axis, the y-axis, what the title should be, how it should be labelled up. So there we can see here, who's your favourite character. So we can see overwhelmingly the people who voted in this think that P.T. Barnum is their favourite character, but I'm just going to press backspace on that just to clear that out of the way so we can create another one. Again, it's the same process again, that if we're going to go for who is your least favourite, we're going to just select it again, insert, then what that does here is it creates, so we can see here, a lot of people don't like Anne Wheeler. I'd have thought Jenny Lind might be a little bit higher than that, but there we go, that's my own thoughts on the movie. But what we can do is, sometimes it doesn't make sense in suitable usage of charts. So if we look at this end question here, should there be a sequel made? It's a simple yes, no answer, there's no middle ground. If we go to insert chart, what that's going to do is create a pie chart for it automatically. This is helpful because we've only got the two pieces of information, so a pie chart is a good way to represent it. We can change the chart type, sorry, ever so sorry about that, words didn't come out of my mouth. And there's different charts available, but what it does is it suggests particular chart types which it thinks might be useful. This is very helpful. With the data we've got here, having another chart type selected, so for example scatter, it doesn't make sense. There's no reason for it. There's not enough data in there to be used. So what we've been looking at in this video is how we can make charts quickly and easily from the Google Sheet that we've got the data from. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Many apologies for the stutter earlier, and I shall see you in another video. See you later.